After the Carboniferous era, seed plants began to dominate the land as the result of two major reproductive adaptations. Pollen, which totally freed seed plants from the requirement for water in reproduction, and seeds, which contain energy for developing plant embryos and often have mechanisms to ensure their dispersal over a wide area. Together, these adaptations enabled seed plants to invade nearly every terrestrial habitat. In seed plants, both male and female gametophytes are greatly reduced in size, while the sporophyte is large. The female gametophyte consists of a small group of haploid cells that produces the egg, while the grain of pollen, which contains sperm-producing cells, are all that remain of the male gametophytes in seed plants. As sperm-producing pollen grains can be dispersed either by the wind or animal pollinators such as bees, seed plants have no need for water in their reproductive cycle and are thus fully adapted to dry land. The other reproductive adaptation of seed plants is the seed itself. Seeds are somewhat analogous to the eggs of birds and reptiles, consisting of an embryonic plant, a supply of food for the embryo, and a protective outer seed coat. The seed coat maintains the embryo in a state of suspended animation or dormancy until conditions are favorable for growth. The food stored in the seed helps sustain the emerging plant until it develops roots and leaves and can make food on its own through photosynthesis. Seed plants are divided into two major categories: non-flowering gymnosperms and flowering angiosperms. Gymnosperms, whose name means naked seed, evolved before angiosperms. One group of gymnosperms, the conifers, division Coniferophyta, has over 500 species. Conifers still dominate large areas of the globe, such as the boreal forests that stretch across much of Canada, the northern United States, and northern Europe and Asia. Conifers are also found in the alpine forests of the Rocky Mountains, the Sierra Nevadas, the Alps, and other mountain ranges. On the other hand, the range and abundance of other gymnosperms, such as ginkgos and cycads, has fallen to a small percentage of what they once were.